Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. This is Naturally DCA's channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make rice water smell very good using orange, or let's say vitamin C. But before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and also give me a thumbs up. So all we need for this video is we need white rice. It can be brown rice, any colored rice that you have, but in this video we are purposely focusing on white rice. And you know, rice contain a lot of vinegar, so that helps. Even when washed from our hair, some or particles remains in our hair, helps our hair to grow, which has a high protein content. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by washing off the rice water. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to drain this water away. So I'm going to add a little amount of water to it, also to wash it once again to remove all the dirt particles that is from the rice during the processing, all the bacteria that has been in the rice. So at this stage, I'm done washing it off. I'm going to transfer it into a mason jar or any container that you have that can be covered tightly. This process is so easy to make, so I'm going to add this amount of water to it. Just don't need much, just need some for. So at this moment I'm going to start out by cutting off my orange peels. Yes, adding this to it will make it smell very good, even if it's kept for days. The maximum without fridge is just 3 days. With fridge it can go a week or 10 days. So as you can see, I'm done. I'm going to cover it very tightly overnight. Yes, if you allow it to ferment for a very long time, it may go bad. Well, that you can even just apply or application of one use, you can use it again. But so I choose to ferment my rice for 12 hours or overnight, then I'll use it. All right, so let's stay tuned for the next day. Hey guys, so it's early morning and our rice water has been left to sit overnight. Yes, look at the color because of the vitamin C, or let's say the orange peels that was placed in it. We have a different color altogether. So this is my spray bottle. I need a funnel and a strainer. So I'm going ahead to transfer everything. Yeah, so this is what we got for our hair. It smells good. It smells like orange. Yes, you store it in the fridge after every use. If you don't have fridge, you store it in a cool place for maximum of 5 days. Yes, maximum of 5 days. You can add any of your essential oils that you have or you have made. I'll leave some of the oils that we prepared that is good for the hair in the link description down below. And also the reason why I don't add my oil and my rice water together is in terms of spraying, the oil may float on top, so it will be only the water that will get through my scalp, and I wouldn't apply moisture, that is any oils or any butter to it. So I decide to do it every step by step. Yes, so watch the next video to see how I'm going to apply the rice.